powerful tool when it comes to manifesting and using the law of attraction, and it's one of my favorite ways of manifesting. It's kind of like creative writing. It's a way to get your mind focused on what you truly want. It's a way to jump from here to there. By getting in that hypnotic state of just easy flow, just writing, enjoy your writing. So you're gonna put your desire down on paper. You're going to work on amplifying your life by your words, by how you say them, by how you write them, and how you feel when you're doing your writing. Speak your world into existence, amplify your life, write down your vision. Scripting has the capability of amplifying your life just because you're gonna write your vision down. You're going to create it into existence. You're going to speak it, you're gonna write it, you're gonna think it, you're gonna feel it to make it happen, to bring you from point A to point B. During your process of free writing, you're going to be writing in the present moment. I am happy and grateful for. I'm happy and grateful for my new home. I'm happy and grateful for my new relationship. And then expound on that a little bit. Describe it as if you are living in the moment. Describe it as if you would call a friend or tell someone about this story of you and your new relationship, or you and your new home, the new car, whatever you want, your new job, your raise at work. This is your vision. Be as creative with it as possible, but remember to keep it in the present moment. I get a lot of questions about what way works better. Is it the quantum jumping, the 2-cup method? How does that work? Versus scripting in your journal every day, versus saying your affirmations 20 times every morning. But if it works for you, awesome. Some people need different ways to communicate. Some of the mistakes that I see people making when it comes to scripting is they are thinking too much. They're getting in their own way. Don't overcomplicate it. It's very easy. If you are having blocks when you're writing, not sure what to say, not sure how to write it, not sure how to script it, don't worry about that. Just start writing. Everything can be changed. Words can be changed later on, but just get your thoughts down on paper. Allow your subconscious to speak through your pen, actually, and just get into a cool, energetic, easy flow vibe while you're writing. Script your new life, script your day.